How to use your holidays. Travel. Holidays are a great time to explore new places, whether it's within your own country or abroad. You could plan a trip to a destination you've always wanted to visit, or go on a road trip to a nearby town or city. Rest and relaxation. You could also use your holidays as an opportunity to unwind and recharge your batteries. Take some time to relax, read a book, or enjoy some leisure activities like yoga, meditation, or spa treatments. Spend time with loved ones. Holidays are a great time to reconnect with family and friends. Plan a get-together, host a dinner party, or organize a day trip with your loved ones. Learn something new. You could also use your holidays to learn a new skill or take up a new hobby. Sign up for a cooking class, take up painting, or learn a new language. Volunteer. Volunteering is a great way to give back to the community and make a difference. Find a cause that you're passionate about and volunteer your time during the holidays. Work on personal projects. If you have personal projects that you've been putting off, holidays are a great time to work on them. This could be anything from writing a book to starting a blog or working on your garden. Stay active. Use your holidays to get active and participate in outdoor activities like hiking, biking, or swimming. This will not only help you stay fit but also help you clear your mind and reduce stress. Thanks for watching.